What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alya if you were new here. Today's video is all about reviewing some products that were sent to me from YesStyle. And if you don't know what YesStyle is, they're an online fashion and beauty company that sells products from Korean brands, Japanese brands, Chinese brands, Taiwanese brands, basically all of that good stuff. And you guys know I love me some Korean skincare, so I was super excited when this big old box here arrived at my door. So we've got some fun products to talk about today. A few of them I've already tried, and then a few of them I have not tried yet. So I will be going over kind of like first impressions of the ones that I have tried, as well as kind of just going through and talking about each product, what they have to offer, and all that fun stuff. So if that sounds good to you, then please keep watching. So the first product is actually one that I have been using for about a week now, and this is the Ionic, I'm sorry if I'm butchering that, Centella Mild Cleansing Foam. And this has Centella Asiatica extract, 49.9%, and this is meant to be a pH balancing cleanser for all skin types with a pH of 5.5, and it offers skin relief and moisturizing. So you guys know I am like a diehard Crave Beauty matcha hemp hydrating cleanser. That's also a pH balancing cleanser. I find that pH balancing cleansers are just elite. Like, they just get the job done better. So I was really excited to try this one out. This one has kind of like a more like creamy, hydrating consistency than the Crave Beauty one that you always see me reviewing. So let's dive in a little bit more in depth in just what exactly this cleanser has to offer. And I'm just going to be reading off my computer screen so I don't mess anything up. But it says it features 2% salicylic acid to remove dead skin cells and acts as sebum, as well as 29.9% cica extract to soothe skin. It's a foam cleanser which keeps skin clear and irritation free, gentle formula which is suitable for sensitive skin types. And that is very true. I don't have sensitive skin, but my skin is definitely more sensitive now than it was pre-tretinoin, pre-retinol, so I do appreciate a more gentle cleansing formula. This has no fragrance in it and no colors, which is what I prefer personally. Like, I don't need all this extra BS, you know, stuffed in there. So very first on the list is the Centella Asiatica extract, which obviously we love to see in like the first ingredient, especially because that's what this one is preaching that it has in there. So, you know, sometimes when you buy products and it's like, oh yeah, you know, this is like a vitamin C or hyaluronic acid serum, or there's retinol in it, and it's like the last ingredient or like third to last, and you're like, no. Yeah, this one's not doing that. So that is great. This has a ton of different extracts in here, most of which I've actually never seen. We have a cabbage extract, we have a broccoli extract, we have a wheat sprout extract, so that's pretty interesting. We've got some coconut going on in here, some salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is down towards the very bottom, but it did say it was 0.2%, so I mean, it's not gonna be a ton. So yeah, honestly, and all of these products actually have 5-star reviews. This one must be newer to the line because there are only 5 reviews on this one, but it is currently 30% off. So it is retailing for €12.45. They also ship worldwide, so if you're not in Europe, they ship to America, they ship everywhere. So that's great too. We love to see it. The next product we have on the list, which I have not tried yet, but I actually had bought this for my boyfriend for, I think, her anniversary. I know, weird, who buys skincare for someone's anniversary, but I do. This is the Some by Me AHA BHA PHA 30-Day Miracle Trucica Clear Pads. That is a mouthful, but it looks like this. So you guys already know, if you watch any of my other previous skincare videos, I love AHAs and BHAs. Die-hard Paula's Choice lover, have been for years now. My boyfriend's tried this and he really enjoys this. Since I use tretinoin now, I don't really use any other exfoliants just because tretinoin does already kind of exfoliate your skin, makes it more sensitive, so I don't really need the extra exfoliation. However, if I did, this is probably one I would actually give a go to. So it's a low pH toner pad, and it helps obviously with skin texture, so AHAs and BHAs are obviously meant to exfoliate and even out your skin's texture, help with breakouts, shrink pores, minimize fine lines and wrinkles. So all that good stuff. This also has 5-star reviews from 61 people, and this retails at €27.60. So that's a pretty good deal. This is actually cheaper than Paula's Choice. Also, it does come obviously in a different packaging. Like this is pads. Paula's Choice is a liquid. And this says it is a mild cotton pad with highly concentrated cica essence to eliminate acne breakouts, and it contains a blend of naturally derived AHAs, BHAs, and PHAs to promote exfoliation, reduce sebum, and minimize pores, as well as true cica, which is trademarked. So that must be their like kind of, you know, patented formula, and plant extracts to soothe irritated skin and improve skin texture. So the main ingredients in here are Salix alba, which is willow, and then we have bark water. We have sodium hyaluronate, which is up there. We also have a bunch of different extracts, plant extracts. We have centella asiatica extract in this again. So I feel like that's kind of a trend with a lot of Korean skincare, is you do tend to see lots of centella, which I personally love. That's interesting. This says matacastic acid, which I don't see very often, but that's a really good one to have in there. We've got like a whole bunch of great things in this, honestly. This does have peppermint oil as the very last ingredient, and this also has raspberry ketone in it. So quite an interesting kind of combination of ingredients. It sounds really good. Open this. I want to give it a little smell. Okay, so that is very fragranced. That smells like peppermint for sure. Like, not in a bad way. It definitely is giving pepperminty though. So if you are someone who is sensitive to fragrance or essential oils, it is last on the list, so I don't think you're going to experience any irritation, but just so you know, it is in there and it does smell like peppermint oil. So next on the list here is another product I have not tried yet, and this is the Secret Key Starting Treatment Rose Oil Serum Mist. And that just looks like this. So initially I thought that this was like some sort of like hydrating mist, which is why I hadn't used it, but it's actually a treatment essence, and I do love a good essence. If you guys don't know what an essence is, it's usually something that you use right after you cleanse your face. It helps to lock in the hydration. There's lots of really great ingredients in there, and it just helps your skin to absorb all of your products that you are going to apply after, so your serums, all that stuff. It's just a really great addition, in my opinion, to any skincare routine. So I do like to use an essence in the morning, and I feel like it definitely makes a difference. So I'm excited to actually try this one out. I love rose oil. You guys know I love rose hip seed oil in particular. I use that quite frequently. I feel like it makes a huge difference in my skin. So let's see what we got going on in this product. This retails for €26.10. It is 25% off, and it has 2,950 5-star reviews. Yes, that is true. I did not stutter. That's a lot of reviews. Wow. This says it contains 94% galactomyces, I hope I didn't butcher that, fermented filtrate, and rose water. This essence improves wrinkles and clarifies skin, leaving it soft, supple, smooth, and radiant. So that sounds good to me. Let's see what major ingredients we have in here. So galactomyces. Let's face it, I'm not very great at pronouncing weird skincare ingredient names. So that is first on the list. We also have niacinamide. There's glycerin in there for hydration. There is grapefruit extract. We have some other plant extracts in here. It seems like a pretty natural list. Like pretty much everything in here is like plant, and there's not that many ingredients. So this actually sounds really great. I can definitely tell that this is oil-based. My other one is not oil-based, my other essence that I normally use. This one I can see like the little oils separating from the water in here. So I'm excited to try this. I feel like this is going to be super hydrating, and you know, sometimes I do need that. So I'm excited to try this one out. So this next one, I honestly wasn't sure what it was, so we're going to be unboxing it together. This is the Good Ol' Green Tangerine Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum, and this is what the packaging looks like. Now initially I thought that this was like eye masks or something because this packaging is a bit odd. I think it is a mask. Let's see. Ooh, it is. Yeah, okay. So there's 5 in here. We have 5 of these masks. So it is a serum sheet mask. which it says you leave on for 10 to 20 minutes. I actually do need this in my life. I've mentioned a couple times in some of my other videos, I have like a sunspot right under my eye that's just kind of manifested itself this year. So this is actually going to be great to see if that helps to kind of, you know, reduce that a little bit. Oh, interesting, it's microfiber. I've never tried a microfiber skincare mask before. So microfiber mask sheets are soaked in vitamin C rich and natural tangerine extracts to fade blemishes, dark spots, and leave skin bright and clear. Interesting. So it does feel kind of thick in here. So we have water, niacinamide in here, tangerine extract, hydrolyzed jojoba esters, sodium hyaluronate. Wow, we have a lot of fruit oil, more rose flower extract. We've got eucalyptus, orange peel oil. Wow, there's a lot of good things actually packed into this. There are 2 essential oils in here at the very end, probably for scent purposes. I imagine this probably smells lemony, citrusy, orangey. So again, I don't think you're gonna have any like adverse reaction, but just something to note. So this retails for €6.60 for the pack of 5. This has 63 5-star reviews. I'm gonna be trying this tonight. I won't lie to you, I am stoked to give this a go. I'm not normally a sheet mask type of gal. Like, I honestly never really use sheet or face mask. Even like the type that you like apply with like a little spatula. It's just really not for me, but this sounds great, so I'm gonna try that. And the last thing that we have here is actually a little travel sized kit. Ooh. So the next thing we have here is like a little, starter travel kit. I have tried the My First Essencer or Essener. It's just kind of like a little essence. I don't know, like we need to read through this because I honestly don't know what all this stuff is. It says it's a combination of a toner and an essence to prep and moisturize your skin at the same time right after cleansing. So okay, basically it's like an essence. It says that it has damask rose flower water to soothe, nourish, and revitalize the skin. So yeah, I did try this. I thought it was nice. It's like definitely more, it feels a little bit more oily, which I actually did like. Felt like this really, you know, hydrated my skin, made it feel nice. Now what I didn't like was their Deep in a Barrier cream. This smells awful. Like, I don't know. Ugh, it just smells moldy. That's like the only way I can describe it. This barrier cream is not for me at all. I haven't tried the Cleanse Me Softly cleansing milk yet, so I'm excited to try that because I do like the cleansing milk. And then I also have not tried their Time Is Running Out mist. This has macadamia seed oil and jojoba seed oil, so I feel like this would be great for a little hydration, a little extra glow throughout the day. So let's talk about what each one of these has to offer. I've already talked about the Essener, so let's talk about the cleansing milk. It says it is a mild facial cleanser infused with plum water and cleansing agents derived from coconut and corn to remove base makeup, dead skin, and impurities while soothing the skin, with a blend of nutrient-rich macadamia seed oil to condition and invigorate the skin. I guess I didn't really talk about what was in the Deep Barrier cream, but it says a night cream with organic citrus fruit water and tamanu oil to hydrate the skin overnight for a youthful appearance, enriched with green tea extracts and Centella asiatica to soothe and calm irritated skin. The Time Is Running Out mist, it says biphasic mist containing organic and seasonal ingredients. Made without any surfactants, the oil layer is composed of 3 plant oils to deliver long-lasting nourishment and moisturization without being greasy. The water layer contains 79% organic plum water to provide instant hydration. So combines the benefit of a toner, mist, and serum to give thirsty skin a refreshing boost of hydration. So that does sound nice. So I think we have like 3 out of 4 in this little box that I would use. And everything in this ingredients list sounds nice. This retails for €28.60 and it has 4 5-star reviews. So this must again be newer, you know, to their line. So yeah, I think it is a good size for travel. I mean, you kind of have everything that you need here, you know, cleanser, essence, moisturizer. I don't really know that the mist is necessary, but you know, maybe if you're in Antarctica, Iceland, I don't know, you might want like some extra oil, I don't know. But it does sound nice, so I will give all of those a go. I think I'm most excited to try out the Secret Key Treatment Rose Oil Mist Serum and this Green Tangerine Sea Spot Serum. I do really like this one a lot, the Centella Mild Cleansing Foam. I would definitely repurchase this. Like, I'm really glad to have it. I think that it is really nice. And it is really soothing. If anything, it might be more like gentle than, dare I say, my Crave Beauty one. So, I don't know. Is this one coming in like sneak first place? But yeah, so that is all of the ingredients. Well, all of the products I have that were delivered to me. So comment down below if you've tried any of these, or if there are different products that you want me to try from YesStyle, because YesStyle has a gigantic market of things on there and it's overwhelming. So I definitely want to try more things in the future, but drop me a comment down below if you've tried any of these before, or if you have any recommendations for other products you want to see me try. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up on your way out. It really helps me with the algorithm, and thank you guys so much for watching.